put it on the patio? Near the smoker?
No, that won't work.
By my fire pit?
No.
On the roof?
Do you have a chimney?
Yeah.
Then no. You don't want any smoke, dust, pollution. That's not going to give an accurate reading. You don't want to put it next to a smoker or a fire pit. That's just going to tell everyone where the party's at, rather than how good the air quality is in your area, which is what folks need. You also don't want anything obstructing it. So nothing above it, nothing below it, no big trees hanging overhead. You don't want to restrict the airflow in any kind of way.
Okay, yeah. I think I know a good spot. Is there anything else I need to do? Is that all I gotta do?
Almost. Make sure to check your readings occasionally. If they're very different from the sensors or monitors near you, try to figure out why. If it's broken, take your sensor off the map. If your neighbor's got a smoker or a fire pit near where you've put the sensor, it's time to move that sensor. This ensures that everybody's getting good air quality data.